I did it! Hooray! It's a party. Woo. Hey humans, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. So obviously I'm a little bit sick, my voice does not sound the way it normally does, but that's okay. Today is a very exciting video because I am traveling to Hawaii with my boyfriend Keenan. I think he's actually okay with being in the vlog this time, so that's exciting. Usually nobody wants to vlog with me except for maybe my mom. But it is just me and my boyfriend going this time. So we are very excited. It's the first like adult trip that we planned ourselves and like chose the flights and chose where we're staying. So it's gonna be a very long day of traveling. Thankfully, my cold is actually a lot better today than it has been the last couple of days. I think I'm gonna be like a-okay by tomorrow or the day after, and I'm so excited to go to Hawaii, and I hope you're excited to come and see our trip. So let's go. Hello again. We are in the car going to the airport. Very exciting. So we have our lovely drivers in the front.
Right?
Hey. Keenan too.
Keenan.
And yeah, so going to the airport. Hooray! Hello again, everybody. So we finally got to our lovely place in Kona, and we realized that we accidentally flew into the wrong airport and had to take like almost a 2-hour cab ride to get here. So that was great, like almost $300 later. Whoops. But oh my gosh, we're just so happy to be here. It's so pretty. I'll show you around. We have thrown some of our stuff down already because like bleh.
Hello.
We made it.
Yeah, you did.
Hooray. I know, we're so tired. For us, it's like 1 in the morning or something because there's a 3-hour time difference. So that's fun. So yeah, I'll just quickly show you around, and yeah, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look, there's so much room for activities and a nice TV. We got a balcony out there. We have air conditioning, which is my best friend. It's so big. Like usually places are smaller than they look in pictures. This place is massive. And this is our lovely room. And it's so cute and cozy. I love those little light thingies, little like fake candles on the wall.
Live, laugh, love.
Live, laugh, love. And our little TV. And so the adventure begins. Hooray! Bathroom. So yeah, that's it for today. We're probably gonna go to sleep pretty soon now. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, everybody. So it's our first morning in Hawaii. We do have a little update for you guys. We were flipping through the like information book to find out like how to use the TV, how to like make coffee, how to turn the Wi-Fi on, and the first page actually was like, oh hey guys, so actually the Wi-Fi isn't working right now. We're getting a great new router soon, but you know, it's being shipped from the mainland, so we don't know when that's gonna be, so please have patience and mahalo. And we're like, what? So we aren't too jazzed about that. There is a Starbucks about 5-minute walk away from that, and my mom is calling to see what can be done. She's like, give me the number. So yeah, that's just an update for you guys. Other than that, everything is lovely.
Yeah, the room is really nice.
Yeah, had a great sleep, comfy bed. The sounds are so pretty. I love it so much, you guys. I'm so happy. Hello. What are you?
Them the ones that eat snakes, huh? Is them mongooses?
Oh my goodness. We made a friend, guys. That was so cute. We're walking around now, checking out all the different beaches. We're like near like 3 different beaches, which is awesome. Very wavy here. And we're gonna go buy some stuff for dinner too. So yeah.
I'm actually amazed by this.
That's amazing. We would not use that much green onion in 8 days.
That is the longest green onion I've ever seen.
Hello everybody! Right now we are heading to the beach. I think it's day 4 probably. I haven't been super good at vlogging this trip, but it's been pretty low-key and just chill and good. So yeah, I'm gonna bring my GoPro to the beach with me, but not my phone because it's a bit of a sketchy area. So I will film the beach and some underwater stuff for you all to see. I'm also gonna try out swimming in my Fantasy Fin in the ocean, which I'm very excited about because I've never swam with it in the ocean before. It's a beautiful day out there, and yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Beach. Probably cannot hear us, but we see lots of fishies. I hope you can see them too. It's a little murky, but yeah, doing our best, having fun. Yeah. We are back from the beach and now we're making dinner. We are having hot dogs with tomato and onion, and yes, I put mayo on my hot dogs because I'm a freak like that. I loved the fin. I'm so glad I hauled it down there because that was so fun and I was like noom, swimming along. And we got a delicious Hawaiian shaved ice, best in the world. Shout out to Maui shaved ice, even though we're not in Maui, but that's what it's called. And yeah, so we're just gonna chill, eat some food, probably play some board games, and maybe have a drink or two. And that's this day. Keenan's at the gas station right now grabbing some more drinks because we are kind of out of liquids to go with our dinner. Look who it's back. And he got some champagne and orange juice, so we're gonna have mimosas, lots of mimosas.
Can you just do this?
I don't know how to do it. I've never done it. I've watched people do it.
Well, that's more than I have.
Okay. I'm scared. I did it! Hooray! It's a party. Woo. Hello, people.
Hello.
It's day like 4 or 5 now. Well, night. We just spent like 2 hours in Starbucks because Wi-Fi reasons.
And we tried to download a movie. Didn't work out.
No. We tried to download like a 2-hour movie and it got about halfway and we're like, okay, we want to make dinner now. We had to take off 2 movies to add a movie. So really we played ourselves. Hey y'all, we're cooking dinner. Well, Keenan's cooking dinner. I'm somewhat helping.
Wait, this is a team effort.
Oh. Look at that pro skills.
I need more mimosas.
I still have some, but we don't just eat Kraft Dinner noodles, despite popular belief. We have a quick disclaimer.
Don't cook without a shirt.
Yeah, little dangerous. Gotta live life on the edge a little bit though. Is that good? Yummy! Professional. Like this video if you want us to make cooking videos together and like actually do a step-by-step kind of thing, because that would be fun. He is a chef. Well, a cook. Okay. He's my chef, though. Aww. Insert aww sound effects. Ooh, yum. Bow tie pasta, best pasta. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my god. Cook without a shirt at your own risk. We did it, folks. That is delicious. 1, 2, 3, aloha!
Nice.
Yay!
I'll take these for you. Thank you. Let's see what's in this guy. So this oyster spent about 5 years to make the pearl. Once a year old, we put a piece of shell in the body. The oyster coats that to make the pearl. The pearl's peeking through here.